In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to link to an email on Framer. This technique allows you to create an interactive component on your Framer design that, when clicked, directs the user straight to their default email client with a ready-to-send email to a specific address you choose. It could be a button, an image, or a piece of text. Your choice. Get started by deciding on the element you want to be clickable. It can be any text, button, or image in your design. Once you know which element you'll be working with, it's time to add the email link function. Head over to the link settings located on your right-hand properties panel. Look for the section labeled Link and therein locate and click the plus symbol. This icon asks Framer to append a new link to your chosen element. Pretty simple, right? Now, to define the destination of this link, that being the email address with which the user will be initiating interaction. In the field called Link To, you will have to type the prefix mail to, immediately followed by the email address you want your users to link to. Let's say, for instance, you want to link to the email address contact@framer.com. To set this up, you would type in the field mail to contact@framer.com. This instructs Framer to automatically open the user's default email client with a new email directed to the designated email address once the link is clicked. Additionally, Framer has provided an optional feature to pre-fill a subject and body for the email, giving you control over the default content of the message. If you'd like to add this, simply append to your previous entry in the following manner: subject, followed by the subject, and body, followed by the body text. For example, if you'd like the email to have a subject line that reads inquiry and a body that starts with hello, your input into the link to field would read mail to contact@framer.com. Subject, inquiry, and body, hello. Once all of these details have been entered, it's time to confirm your actions. Just press the Enter key. With this action, you have successfully set up the link. Now, when this link is clicked in your interactive design, it will open the user's default email client with a pre-addressed and pre-composed email. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create email links on Framer. Try it out yourself to add an interactive layer to your designs and enhance the user experience.